Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. This week we've got some exciting updates on our 2023 Young Bird race team. We've had some highs this week, but also a low. Let's get into it.
All right, I have the older birds on a barrel. Some of them actually go under the table. I swapped the barrel and the table and started moving the table further away for the older birds. The Robertson birds take a couple loops around the loft. They actually both land on my roof of the house, and then the darker bird, the dark check, comes and lands on the roof of the loft. I let out our older 12, hoping they'll encourage those other two to trap back in.
It's one of Jack's. Jason Jordan, Cavender, and Matus. Yeah, that's one of our Robertson birds. The other one I can see up on the ridge of my roof over there. And we've got 5 up here flying. Good job, buddy. Let's trap in. Let's trap in. There's one of Jack's. Jason Jordan. A little bit of wind. Okay, that's one of our Robertson birds. Come on, buddy. You're okay.
I had to leave to get to dinner, so I left all the birds out. At some point, that last Robertson bird trapped back in, but she missed a meal.
Like champs, they're ready for the ramp.
I could have this table 50 yards away right now with these birds. I'm just trying to get red stars caught up, but we're close. All the birds are doing great. I could also move these Robertson birds to the older 12, but I'm hoping they'll encourage some of these others to fly with them.
You're close, buddy. Okay, let's trap in, get some dinner. Okay guys, come on. You know the drill. Let's go. I know they don't like birds up in the windowsill. They're trying to figure out what the heck's going on. Guys, you have a good flight? Jersey Terror. That's a Firebird. Jason Jordan. So we got one of our whites and Cavender still flying. Hey buddy, trap in there. I'd have the window below. I really need the I had to leave again with these birds flying. When I left, they were routing really high and kind of left the airspace of the loft. Who are we missing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. We are missing a white pigeon. That would be one of Jack's. We've got an empty hole down there. Our white pigeon didn't trap in. Hopefully tomorrow morning. All right, sun's just popping up over the hill. It's about 7:30 on Thursday morning and our little white bird's not here. So there's a chance that she could show up sometime this morning. But if she doesn't show up today, I'm thinking she's gone. And who knows what happened. I don't know if something around here at the loft happened, if they routed kind of far and she went down somewhere, but hopefully she shows up tonight. We'll see. All right, Red Star's been in the loft 6 days. Both of his birds go land on the ground and then pop right back up and they trap in with Andres. I've got the crate kind of turned sideways here. I'm gonna keep turning it just to encourage them to go the other way or you know, not fly straight to the landing board. Again, I'm going kind of slow, trying to get Red Stars caught up. This bird is actually one of our hawkbait birds, first time around the loft with a couple loops.
All right, we only have 11 here. That other bird hasn't trapped back in. Losses. I'm not naive to the fact that I'm going to lose half these birds or more by the end of the races. 50% is really about average for my area and the course we fly. Just curious, in the comments, what are your typical losses on a young bird season? You know, from when you ban birds to what you have left after young birds. You know, what percentage? I think last year I banded 20 babies and I finished young birds with 9 birds. Anyway, birds overall are doing great. Happy to have them, and hopefully over the next week we'll see some pretty good progress for the whole group, with red stars starting to fly to the loft. We'll get them all together and start getting them on some training tosses, getting them routing. Jason Jordan bird and Cavender still flying. That's it for the updates on our 2023 Young Bird race team for this week. We really appreciate the support. If you could please like and subscribe, help me grow the channel, I'd appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.